Hello, welcome to RevelatorAlf. So in this video, I'm going to ride my bike in the rain, catch you inside. RevelatorAlf. Let's go for a ride and get some coffee. Let's go make a movie. It's raining. Making videos in the rain. Riding my bike in the rain. Cool clouds coming over there. Ah, it stopped raining. Sun's out. Alright, off we go. Tuesday in a deep and dark September, or no, October or November, one of those days today. See, if you watch my videos, I'm usually anti-filming in the rain, but actually when it's just stopped raining or it's very light, then you can actually make some great videos. And I actually love the textures and the way it appears on film when you've actually got wet roads and it's fresh rain. Add a bit of sunlight and you get lots of little reflections. Different cool textures. Problem with any wet roads though, you get road spray, it gets on the lens. It's coming this way. Alright, let's go and get a coffee before it pees down with rain here. That's a cool coffee place. Wet roads, falling leaves. Perfect combination to make it a little bit slippery. You know, a big thing is made about riding in the wet, and really all you need to do is just be a bit more conservative. Just keep the bike more upright, don't lean it over so much. But once you're accelerating and braking, how aggressive you are with it, and then it's easy peasy. Always red lights, always. Alright, will I make it to Henley before the heavens open? Oh, I forgot my waterproofs too. Oh. I have arrived in Henley upon Thames. Is it upon Thames or on Thames? I'll just do a little bit of that and a little bit of this. I could pull over, just come on here and have a little one of those, but no, I'm going to go in a little one over here, this one. Now find somewhere to put the bike. Haha, got it, perfecto. I'll stop off at my favourite little coffee shop in Henley. Right, on to the next bit. It's a bit windy here. Whoa. Dark clouds, rain clouds, it's all a load of rubbish. You know, if you think about it, there's so many things that would just stop you from doing stuff. Rain, dark clouds, time for the overcoats, hunch up the shoulders, bow the head. I'm getting wet! It's so easy to be stuck indoors. It's so easy to just want to be warm, want to be dry. Sometimes a little bit of discomfort helps the soul. Sometimes a little bit of discomfort is exactly what we need. I've always said, if you're fit and able, get out of your comfort zone. If biking is your thing, get out on it. In all weathers. Whether it's rain, wind, looking for food. It's bleak here, just the way I like it. Well, I'm back. It's been a wet ride. I fought the door and the door won. There's a song in that somewhere. So there you have it. Just got back from a bit of a wet ride in the end. But some great colours out there. Great textures on the road as well. There's lots of excuses why, not excuses, there's lots of reasons why you shouldn't go out riding in the rain. But I think they pale into insignificance when you see what's out there in the rain. Yeah, look, you've got to just be a little bit careful, of course, you know, when out you're riding. And it's not always nice, but it's about getting out of your comfort zone. I think it's easy just to stay indoors sometimes. You know, you look out the window and you think, oh, it's grey, it's raining, and it's like, ugh. And you kind of, your shoulders sink and you naturally deflate. But actually, sometimes just saying what the hell and going for it can do you a world of good. It certainly does me a world of good. I think forcing yourself to get out there and experience what the day has is always a good thing. It's easy to be stuck indoors and, you know, looking out the window. And sometimes you're looking out the window and you're thinking, thank Christ I'm in here. And other days you're looking out the window and you're thinking, I wish I was out there. The Scandinavians have that expression, there's no such thing as bad weather, just inappropriate clothing. I think sometimes even if you've got inappropriate clothing, just get out there. Especially if it's mild. Okay, it's wet, it's windy, but it's mild. You'll soon dry off. Nancy Reagan once said, there's a big wonderful world out there for you. It belongs to you. It's exciting and stimulating and rewarding. Don't cheat yourselves out of this promise. And that's where I see life, really. And that's why I see motorcycling has that attraction for me to get me out of the house, to get me on the road, and to go and see what's out there. And it doesn't matter what the weather is. Sure, I have limitations, just like anybody else. But, you know, having a bit of discomfort, it's actually not a bad thing. Having a bit of discomfort lets us know we're alive. Having discomfort puts everything in perspective. It gives us balance. Anyway, so that was the ride today. Just getting out and forcing myself to get out into the rain and just go and see what's out there. Went to a couple of cool places. Henley-on-Thames, that's a cool place to go to. Getting out on the road, whether it's wet or dry roads, it's always good. Filming in the rain can be a bit of a problem, especially on action cams, especially on motorcycles, but you can always work the problem. Right, well, I hope you like this video, and please subscribe and tell your friends, and leave comments below as well. Let me know what you think. Okay, catch you on the next video, whenever that is. Cheers now.